Suppose we have a parabola defined by the equation y minus 3 quantity squared equals 12 times x plus 2. You can either have a parabola facing the left or right. Then we know that the vertex is no longer at the origin. So from your equation, where is the vertex? Okay. So h here is negative 2. K here is positive 3. Which quadrant does the vertex belong to? Okay. So we have a negative, positive, so it's in the second quadrant. What else can we obtain from your equation? So from your equation, we can identify the length of the latus rectum or determine the focal parameter. So 4a is 12, therefore a is positive 3. And because we have a positive value, so we know that the parabola is expected to be facing the right side. Next, we already know the vertex. We already know also the distance of the focus from the vertex. So we can have your sketch already. Okay. So from quadrant 2, so this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. Okay. Now we move 2 units to the left. So 1, 2. So 1 unit, 2, and then 3 units up. 1, 2, 3. So this is where your vertex is located. So here. This is your vertex. Next is your focus. So your focus is 3 units away from the vertex. So positive, so 3 units to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3. So your focus is here. If your focus is here, what is the coordinates of this point? Okay. What will be the coordinates? So this will be the same y coordinate but different x coordinate. So if we look at here, so this is positive 1. So your focus is at positive 1. Okay, let's name F is at positive 1, positive 3. And then your directrix will go to the other side. So from the vertex, 3 units. 1, 2, 3. So your directrix will be here. Will pass through here. Okay. So this is where your directrix is found. And then let's trace your parabola. And there. So this is how your parabola will look like. So the vertex, let's name. We have negative 2, positive 3. Okay. So your focus is at 1, 3. Now what will be the equation that represents the directrix? So we look at here. So we have here 0. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Your directrix passes through x equals negative 5. So the equation will be x equals negative 5. So here, your parabola has the vertex at negative 2, 3, focus at 1, 3, and directrix negative x equals negative 5. Now, here's a new thing, okay, which is different from parabolas having vertex at the origin. Where will be your axis of symmetry? Since the vertex is no longer at the origin, alright, so let's trace your axis of symmetry. Simply, we look for a line that passes through your vertex and is perpendicular to the directrix. So if this is your axis of symmetry, okay, let me do it again. Let's try to have it aligned. This is your axis of symmetry here, alright? Looking at your y-axis, where does it pass through? Alright, so it passes through y equals, it's at the upper portion, so it's positive. So you look at the y coordinates, positive 3. Therefore, your axis of symmetry is no longer either the x or y axis. It is already a different line. Okay, so the focus and the vertex are 2 points at which the axis of symmetry passes through, and the axis of symmetry is perpendicular to your directrix.